396.
American 6A, New York.
Yes, American 6A with EPLC, Gander next, so call Lima Mike Romeo Sierra.
Secondary on 8846 at 60 West. Primary will be on 13306. Backup 8906. Softball hunting up.
So call received. Our backup now is 8846, 60 West, 13306, 8906. American 6A.
New York.
New York, Hotel India 955 position.
Hotel India 955, good.
Hotel India 955, position Perlo 2122, 1.73, level 430. Inapi 2140, destination is next.
Copy all. 20 miles before Inapi. Call New York Center on 128.5.
20 miles are from Inapi, New York 128.5, Hotel India 955.
New York.
Decimal 018. New York, New York,
01009, your transmission is barely readable and fading in and out. What is your location?
We're 40 miles north of 50 on it.
Okay, did you have a request?
No, I just wanted to report that you're one direction, 40 miles.
Yeah, I'm sorry, that last transmission was unreadable. Try 13297.
New York, 018.
Well, 018, New York.
We were trying to reach you actually on 13306. We just passed it in 60 West. Do you have any other frequency or just the family one?
Did you try the backup? Did you try the backup frequency?
11018, can you please the frequency?
Did you try secondary frequency?
You can get a secondary if you can give us the frequency, please.
8906 was the assigned secondary.
8906, thank you.
New York Air Rank, Papa Victor Oscar 405 position.
Papa Victor Oscar 405, good.
Papa Orange 405, top me at 2124, flight level 300, Grumman, estimating Grumman at 2134, next, forward, speed Mach 0.76.
Cosby 2124300, Graham 2134, Summers next, Mach 0.76. Are you back on course?
We're back on course, Papa Orange 405.
Here.
Hey, operator, get for 10009. Over.
Call New York, standby. Fly call New York.
Get for 109, back on course, and we are 11 miles up beyond.
Is that Jeffrey 1009?
That's affirmative, Jeffrey 1009.
Confirm you just reported back on course.
Affirmative, Jeffrey 1009, back on course.
New York.
Jeffrey 1009, do you have a frequency for Miami?
135.2. Or correction. Yeah, 135.2.
135.0, Jeffrey 1009, thank you.
Confirm you copied. Last number is 2.
133.2.
Confirm you got 135.2.
Confirm. 135.2. Jeffrey 1009.
New York.
York Delta 19 or 13.
Delta 1913, New York, Jet.
1913 is back on course, 2131, estimate Toledo 2137.
Copy, back on course.
New York JetBlue 261 on 11396 for cell call.
JetBlue 261, South Hall coming up.
Call check good for JetBlue 261. We got the backup of 8846, and we are positive CPDLC.
Clear.
Following 9367 position.
Following 90367 New York,
Following 90367 position, skipper. Time 2134, flight level 410, Mach 0.77. Estimated planning at time 2203, next sailing, and 7.6 fuel.
Skipper 2134, 410, Mach 0.77, headed 2203, sail next, fuel 7.6, at 38.5 north, 3830 north, call New York Center on 125.902.
Okay, so Q830 north, New York Center 125.902, Sunwing 90367.
New York.
New York Air Ring, Private Orange 405 position.
Private Orange 405, yeah.
Private Orange 405, Grumman at 2134, flight level 300, estimating Summers at 2228, next Mike Lima Bravo, Mach 0.76.
Graham 2134, level 300, Summers 2228, Mike Lima Bravo, next Mach 0.76. 20 miles before Summers. 20 miles before Summers, call Miami on 123.67.
Private Orange 405, 20 miles from Mike Lima Bravo, contact Miami. Sorry, Private Orange 405, 20 miles before Summers, contact Miami, 123.67.
York.
York Delta 19 or 13.
Delta 19 is 3, guys.
9 or 13, Alito 2137, flight level 300, estimate gauge 2209.
Alito 2137 to 300, James 2209, Aaron X, fuel 26.8. James, call Jacksonville on 135.05.
James, Jacksonville 135.05, Delta 1913.
York.
New York Radio, American 2501 on the ground at St. Thomas, ATF check 11396.
Calling for an ATF check, try on 13348.
Good morning. New York Radio, American 2501 on the ground at St. Thomas, request ATF check on Charlie Kilo Fox Golf.
Calling New York.
New York Radio, Caribbean Airlines 525 on 11 position.
Caribbean 525, New York,
ZZ Top 2145, flight level 370. Estimate Galvin at 2214. Little neck fuel 11.1. 4633.
ZZ Top 2145370, Galvin 2214, went home next, fuel 11.1, smoking 2633. Report Galvin on 13297. And do you have Signet Lima 7?
Affirmative, we have Signet Lima 7, all correct, and at Galvin, New York 13297, Premier Airlines 525.
Circle check coming up.
Good circle check, Caribbean Airlines 525.
York.
9X.
Here's President 974 New York.
Air Transat 974, CPDLC Miami, next cell call, please.
Secondary 13297.
It's a good cell call. We check secondary 13297, Air Transat 974.
Here.
Pardon? 11396 position.
Showing 4349, good.
4349 position, ramp 2150. Flight level 3.
Major, Avianca 227 on 11396.
Estimate Perdo 2218. Atugi 6. Assuming 4349er. Back on route 2150.
Ram 2150360, Purdue 2218, Atugi next. Copy back on course. Level check coming up.
Assuming 4349 correct. Okay.
Major, Avianca 227 on 11396.
Avianca 227 there.
Major, Avianca 227 on 11396.
Avianca 227, Avianca 227 here. Avianca 227, Avianca 227 here.
Yes, American 112 on 11396.
American 112 there.
Good afternoon, CPDLC Santa Maria next.
What is your cell call?
Cell call is Alpha Papa Kilo Quebec.
Secondary on 6577 at 60 west. Primary on 8906, backup 55908. Cell phone check coming up.
It's a good cell call for American 112. Your backup is 6577 at 60 west, primary 8906. Backup is 5598.
There. 6, Oxana next, fuel 8.8, and 50 miles from the ZZ Top. 50 miles from the ZZ Top, Cole, New York Center on 126.02. Cell phone coming up.
Hey, good cell call to Sunlink 433550 south of ZZ Top, New York 12602. Have a great day.
New York, section 549 Romeo on 11396.
Correction 549 Romeo, New York, confirm CPDLC connected, and what is your next FIR?
Well, CPDLC next FIR will be Gander domestic, I believe, section 549 Romeo.
Roger, Gander next. Your secondary now is 8846, and at 60 west, contact New York on primary 17946, secondary 8906. Have copy. And here's cell call.
Canada Uniform Fraction 549 Romeo. We got your backup 8846 at 60 west is 17946 as primary, backup 8906. Cell call check was okay, cell call watch.
Hey, sir. New York.